What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money by listening to radio online in 2019. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, really cool, huh? So you can make money by just listening to radio online. And you can do it actually while doing some other activities there. So let's say that you make a passive income. While you probably won't get rich with this kind of listening to online radio, you will definitely get a few extra bucks there. And it is super easy. All you have to do actually is just listening to radio. Now, if you're serious about building a real online business and make some serious money online, then you should definitely check out the link in my description here below. But first, let's get started with listening to some radio online today here. The first site that we're going to have a look at is RadioUncom. And you can see here when we arrive to the site, it says that earn alone or with your website with listening radio. So you can actually add it to your website if you have some traffic. And when I'm thinking about it now, actually, it's a good idea because people will visit your site again and again and again, which is definitely good for SEO purposes. I think I just got an idea and I will definitely implement this also to one of my websites here that I have. So we are interested in today actually in listening to radio here. How it works: simple, fast, earn, as it says here. You sign up for an account, you register, and you can start using the radio API, start earning by click, open your radio links. You can also use our live API for your website if you wish that your user listen for you. And every 50 minutes you get points. The points will be converted the following month to US dollars, and you can pay, they pay out via PayPal, which is really nice. So you can see here, here are some features. They have high compatibility, best placed ads, style your radio, detailed statistics on API, simple system, and earn and pay out. Here are some questions and answer. It is totally free to sign up for. You get a payout, you earn points, and then they convert the following month to USD. I saw it actually here earlier. They pay net 30 via PayPal. You cannot use VPS or bots, and unfortunately it is not available in all countries here. So have a look at it and make sure you are it is available in your country here. So here are some live statistics also, really nice. Yeah, that's it. RadioUncom. Definitely a site worth to check out and listening to some radio and make some money here. The next site is ResearchFM, research.fm. So you can see here there's no crystal ball for radio stations, so they need your input on what music, morning shows and DJ you actually want to hear. Your opinion are so important that they're willing to pay you for them. So basically this is how it works. They send you an invitation, you take a survey, you listen to and rate short music samples on their server, and you claim your reward in the form of an Amazon gift card here. So that is no PayPal here unfortunately, but I think you can definitely use an Amazon gift card. So this is how it works. You can have a look at the FAQ. If you want to also, you should actually have a look at the FAQ, definitely. Yeah, how do I sign up to become a ResearchFM? I think it's pretty obvious. You just fill in the details. What devices do you support? Let's see here. With any iOS device running iOS 5, like an iPhone, iPad, and Android devices is also. So definitely also worth to check out. ResearchFM. And yeah, I think that is everything there. You can have a look at it at your own pace here as always. but ResearchFM. And let's have a look at one more site here to listen to radio online while doing some other activities and make some passive income there. It is Unique Rewards, uniquerewards.com. And here you can actually make money not only by listening to radio, but you can do it by completing offer and service, watching videos, listening to the radio, which we're interested in. You can actually make money by clicking ads, shopping online, and reading emails. So you can see here is a testimonial. Here's how you get started with some tutorial videos. Let's have a look at this here. Yeah, so you see here how it works. You sign up on the website, you fill in the form, and you can click the continue, you select the offers that you're interested in, and you click the finish button. Then you get a confirmation email, so pretty standard how to sign up as any other site there. And you get cash back for shopping online here, really cool. So you can try brand name products for free. You get paid for taking online service. You earn money just by clicking. You get paid for reading emails, really nice. And get paid for watching videos. You can see here also they tell you how much you get paid. You get 0.01 here for each video watching. And you earn cash by listening to the radio. So you have to enter a captcha every 30 minutes here, and that's because they want to see that you are there and listening to the radio. And you earn 0.03 here if you are from the States. So as I told you, you won't get rich with these kind of activities, but hey, I mean, you're listening to music, it's totally free, and you get some extra cash there. If you just leave it there during the day, you fill in the captcha every 30 minutes, you will definitely make some extra money there. So that is how you can make money by listening to radio online. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. And hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Also very important, if you're serious on making money online and build a real online business, then you should definitely check out the link in my description below here. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.